my gosh, I'm sorry, I just yelled, but it's Larry and it's giveaway time. I am so super excited. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, here is my basket full of goodies that I am going to be giving away because we reached 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. We made it. Thank you for joining my online family. Thank you for supporting me in my journey. I hope that you find my videos fun and that they provide a little bit of inspiration in planning and reaching your goals, getting your DIY on, and just living light in general. My motto, Larry is Livin Lite. I just want everyone to live light. Don't take everything so seriously. There's some important stuff that we really, we got to pay attention to. And yes, it's important. But in general, we sweat the small stuff way too much. So I just want everyone to live light, have a little bit of fun, be organized, be happy, spend time crafting and doing some of the fun stuff. So here is, I'm just going to do a really quick run through. I'm not even going to show everything. I probably won't even be able to give all of this stuff away, but I'm going to do my very best. There is just, some of this stuff is going to be just stuffed into winner envelopes. I'm not going to give it away as a single prize, but there's planner, what do you call them, planner cards. I've got notebooks, Filofax, I've got gel pens, I've got stickers, I've got a whole set of Erin Condren stuff. Here's an Erin Condren notebook. Here's an Erin Condren notepad. Let me move this back. I think I'm getting a shadow. Sorry. I got Carpe Diem packages that I was just given for free at PlannerCon. I'm going to raffle or give that away. We've got stickers. I've got a tape cutter. If you use tape for like building mini albums or creating greeting cards, there's a free tape cutter. We've got cosmetic bags. We've got 3 happy planners. 2 of the Hello Beautiful Year. And I've got 1, The Best Is Yet to Come. 3 mini happy planners I'm giving away, you guys. Really. What else? We've got notepads. Oh my gosh, Glam Girl notepads. We've got stamps for your planner. We've got stamps for cards. We've got more stamps for your planner. We've got planner stickers. I've got a Mombi Happy Planner. I think you call this a pencil pouch. It slides into your into your planner. This was on clearance for $192. Yes, I am a cheap shopper. I totally admit that. That's probably, 90% of what my channel is about. But it's the Happy Planner. It'll fit in any size except the mini. It's a little bit too big for the mini, but it'll fit in the classic and the large size. We've got Happy Planner stickers. I've got Nuvo drops. I've got Erin Condren pencil sets with an eraser. Erin Condren screen cleaning towelettes for your phone, for your computer, for your eyeglasses. There's multiple of these. I don't know where the others went. I think I already pulled them. I've been throwing stuff out of this basket, sorry. Beautiful little tassels for your planner or wherever you want them to go. I mean, obviously this basket was full, so we're giving it all away. Let's give away as much as possible. I'll pick, 20 plus winners, as many as I can. Problem is, you have to respond. Last time I did a giveaway, people didn't respond. I couldn't track people down. I couldn't give this stuff away. So I just need you to respond. If you enter the raffle, you probably are going to win something because your odds, 20 plus giveaways out of 100 subscribers, you're probably going to win something, right? So respond to this notice when I'm going to post a video to share the names of the winners. respond to that. Reach out to me. And part of the giveaway requirements, there's going to be 2 steps. It's going to be super easy. But I'm also going to ask for your email address. That way I can reach out to you. If you get an email from me, it says you're a winner. Please respond to that ASAP so I can mail this stuff out. I've been holding on to it for a couple of months now. So here's some of the notes that I wanted to share about the raffle or giveaway. I don't know, raffle's probably probably not supposed to say that on YouTube, right? So here's some of the stuff. Let's see. What are my notes? First, you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. That's super easy. My name on YouTube is Larri Meadows. You're probably already a subscriber. If you are not, please subscribe. Watch some videos and leave some comments. Ask questions. I respond to every comment, and if I get feedback, it's super helpful. And if I get questions, I will answer them to the best of my abilities and share any info I have. So you must be a subscriber, and you must leave a comment below this particular video sharing what you like about the channel and what you would like to see coming up on this channel. So please do that is number 1. Number 2, because I did have such a tough time tracking down people on my first giveaway, I'm going to ask you to do one extra step this time. And that is to go to my website. It's larrislivin.com, and that's Larri, Larri, no apostrophe S, Livin, Livin, Lite, Lite, larrislivin.com. Go check out my website and please sign up for my newsletter. I'll show you a little picture in this video where you can see what the page looks like and where the newsletter sign up is. Hey guys, so this is a super quick tutorial on how to sign up for my newsletter. I came to www.larrislivin.com, and here's my website. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff. I've got crafty things, shopping hauls, planner attic stuff, and a blog where I do post some blogs. It tells you a little bit what Larri's Livin Lite is all about. And then if you keep scrolling down, halfway down the page, here is our newsletter sign up. So all you have to do is type in your email address and your first name, and then click yes, I want freebies. So for example, I could type in my email address, if I can remember it, gmail.com, put in my first name, and all I have to do is say, yes, I want freebies. That's it. That's step 2, complete, done. And then while you're there, check things out. I've got my Twitter stuff going on over here. Got my Facebook stuff going on over here. So lots of fun stuff. I've already got some freebies here. I think when you sign up, you will get your first freebie prompted to you right away. And then there's more resources to come and lots more freebies to come. So check it out. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find some fun and you can live light with me. Thanks, guys. What this will do is give me an opportunity to collect your name and your email address. And yes, it will sign you up for my newsletter. So if you don't want my newsletter, then don't enter. That's fine. I have no problem with that. I'm not going to spam you. I have no spam. I very rarely send out emails. But what this will do is it'll give me an opportunity to collect your name and your email address so I can notify you that you have won the giveaway. Let me see. I made some notes here. What I will share in once I have your email address and you sign up for my newsletters really right now are not very specific because my subscribers are so low. But my intention is to have a monthly or a bi-weekly newsletter, and it's just going to be sharing any fun news, anything exciting, any free planner printable resources. I have a lot of giveaways, and I also have a lot of freebies that I haven't even posted yet, but if you sign up for my newsletter, you'll get one automatically there's already one posted up there, and there'll be several more. I've got a resource page. I think it's still under construction, but once I make that live, I'm going to have a whole resource page of free printables and where you can find free planner stickers and all kinds of goodies. So it's just going to be a newsletter that shares that kind of info. So freebies from me, places to get freebies, and I'm all about making things cheap, free, affordable, right? So that's all you're going to get. Never spam, ever, ever. So super easy way to enter this giveaway. 1, be a subscriber. Leave the comment below that I asked, please. If there's something that you really enjoy about my channel, share that. If there's something that you really want to see on this channel, share that. And then head on over to the website, sign up for the newsletter, and that way I can have a way to notify you when you win. And what we're going to do is, today is Friday, March 16th. I am going to have this giveaway open until Sunday, March 18th at 12 midnight Pacific time. And if you can get all that done before then, you're entered, you're good. This is open to anyone 18 plus years. You've got to be, unfortunately right now I need you to be in the US. This is all free. This is all stuff I'm paying for. I can't afford international shipping at this point in time. I'll look into that later on as the channel grows and be able to extend it hopefully soon. But right now, 18 plus, US only, and it will close on Sunday, March 18th at midnight Pacific time. I will announce the winners next week via a YouTube video, and I'm not sure what day that'll be posted yet. Probably Tuesday, maybe Monday, but hopefully Monday, maybe Tuesday. But once I do, you're going to have 48 hours to claim your prize. If you do not claim your prize, it is going to go to somebody else. I'm so sorry, but I just don't want to hold on to this stuff anymore. I want to get this out to you. I really want to get, these items cannot be enjoyed unless they're shared. So let me get these out to the subscribers, to you, the people who've supported me. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. And I hope you win. I hope you win our giveaway. Thank you, guys. Be thankful. Be kind. Keep living light. And share with me what you want to see next in these videos. I am completely open. Enjoy my website. I've actually done some work there that probably most of you haven't seen yet. And like I said, the resource page is coming. If it's not already posted, it's coming. I'll publish that this weekend. But let's have some fun. And I just want to kind of build a little group and a little family. And I just appreciate you so much that I wanted to make sure to give out some goodies. So here they are. Get your entries in and let's give this stuff away. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.